Annotated bibliography is a list of sources you will use within your academic paper and or list of sources considered. Annotated bibliography may be alphabetical, arranged by section, chronological, and or arranged thematically. Annotated bibliography consists of primary and secondary sources from multiple books, peer-reviewed articles, theses, and dissertations, government documents, and digital sources. Don't forget databases as well. Annotated bibliography encourages critical and evaluative thinking about the source and the topic overall. Annotated bibliography helps you to learn about your topic and determine where your research project fits. The more time you give to creating an annotated bibliography, the more capacity you will build to learn about your topic, not only about your field, especially if later you want to get into a particular type of field under your major. So these are your takeaways.